Hello, welcome to the physics world. This is Aishwarya of class 6A. Types of motions. In the previous modules, we learnt about measurement of distance and length. Now let's learn about motion of object and various types of motions. We see several objects around us. Some objects are in motion and some are in rest. Motions is a change in position of an object with respect to time and its reference point. The object like moving fan, flying birds, moving vehicle are said to be in motion as these objects change their position with respect to time. Types of motions, namely rectilinear motion, circular motion, periodic motion. Motions of an object in straight line are called rectilinear motion. Motions of a vehicle in a straight road, march past of soldiers in parade, and some example of rectilinear motions. Now let's do an activity to know about another types of motion called circular motion. Take a stone, tie a thread to it and whirl it with your hand. Observe the motion of the stone. We see the stone moves in the circular path. In this motion, the distance from a hand remains the same. Movement of object along the circumference of the circle rotate along the circular path is called circular motion. The motion of the blade of an electric fan and the hands of a clock are the example of circular motion. The electric fan or the clock move by themselves from one place to another, but the blades of fan rotates and the hands of clock also rotates. If we mark a point anywhere on the blades of a fan or the hands of a clock, the distance of the point of the center of the fan or the clock will remain the same as they rotate. Now let's learn about the periodic motion. The motion repeats itself after the same interval of time is called periodic motion. Motion of a pendulum, motion of a child on the swing, and the string of the guitar are some examples of the periodic motion. Now let's know about the combination of different motion that we study. Few objects while moving show one performance more than one type of motions. For example, rolling of a ball on a ground shows two types of motions. If we throw a ball on the ground, we can observe that the ball rolling on the ground in a straight line. Rolling is nothing but the circular motion. And along with rolling, the ball moves in the straight line. That is rectilinear motion. Hence, we can conclude as the ball moving in the ground shows both rectilinear and curvilinear motions. Signing off till then, Aishwarya.